This is a good article here. Bitcoin inches towards 19K as the recession scare subsides. The original cryptocurrency is seeing some bullish action as the broader financial market sees light at the end of the tunnel. This was written today. It's a good read by Jason Nelson. Thank you so much for the good article here. We've got how many people? 14 people in here watching. All right, so we're going to get to this, and then we're going to talk about H-bar. As Bitcoin enthusiasts continue to celebrate the 14th anniversary of the Genesis block, the number one cryptocurrency price spiked to nearly 19,000 per coin on Thursday, according to who, CoinGecko. This level has not been here since September 7th. September 7th was a big day. Remember that day well. And Bitcoin traded at 19,280 per coin back on September 7th, 2022, if you're keeping score at home. The total market capitalization for the overall crypto marketplace stands at 943 million. Okay. Up 5.4% in the last 24 hours. Okay. For the overall crypto. Well, that's not quite right. It should be billion, right? So let's jump over to coin market cap. Just check that. Yeah. The overall crypto market is, they meant to say billion, $901.86 billion. It's a little bit of a typo there. Bitcoin started trading 2023 at around 16,550. 13 people here. And recent developments in the broader financial market appear to have positively impacted the price as fears of a recession begin to fade. This is fitting in with my narrative that they will come out and make an announcement the end of January, beginning of February, and they're going to say, you know what? This is the Fed Reserve talking. The old man coming out of the cave. You know what? We've got this inflation thing under control. And so they're either going to not raise interest rates or they're going to lower them. So it's going to be an interesting thing. I'm not, I might be in the minority with this one, but this is one of the catalysts that I'm saying is going to trigger the bull run, along with, it's my February 14th prediction is like, about a month before the ISO mandate, right? So those different things. Bitcoin started 2023, as I mentioned, 16,550. Okay, the recession worries began to fade after the Federal Reserve released its December Consumer Price Index, right? The CPI report. By the way, we are going to get to your comments here. 15 people. Okay, get ready because we have a lot of news, particularly about quant as well. All right, so the CPI report measures the rate of change in price of various goods and services in the United States and is used as a critical indicator for gauging inflation. While a better, or at least less dire, economic forecast is likely driving the upward trend for Bitcoin, some also point to El Salvador's recent move to establish digital assets laws and make way for its so-called volcano bond. The Latin American country would use these Bitcoin-backed bonds to pay its debts and fund its future Bitcoin city. How about that? Will we see something like that in the U.S.? Will there be a Bitcoin city? Well, maybe, maybe Miami could be a Bitcoin city. In March 2022, El Salvador put the bonds on hold as a harsh crypto winter began settling in, taking down several prominent entities, including, it doesn't just happen by chance, right? There's some bad actors behind some of this, right? Including Terra Luna, Celsius, Voyager Digital, and Sammy's favorite, and of course, Caroline's FTX. Calming recession fears have also been good for other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, the number one proof of stake blockchain, is trading at, it says here at the time of the article, 1425. If we go over to CoinMarketCap and check that, it's at 1408 at the moment, so it's around the same. Was up 6.2% on Thursday, but ultimately closed down 0.2% trading at 1408.40. I don't know why they would say that it closed down, because it never closes. I'm not even sure. Why would they say that it closes? It's not like the stock market. All right. So while the crypto winter continues to batter the industry, there may be a glimmer of thawing light at the end of the proverbial tunnel. I threw that in there to make it a little more special. How about that? I put the fancy word in there. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin.